Hey guys, it's me, Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and I just wanted to say to you guys that I'm out here today on Coronado Island. It's also, this is here in Southern California, it's also called Admiral Island because there's more retired admirals here on this island than any place else in the country. And it's a great little island, but there's a lot of history here. There's been some celebrities here. As a matter of fact, I'm standing here in a particular apartment complex where Jim Morrison of the Doors, he grew up here in this apartment complex here on Coronado Island. Some of you guys won't know who that is. It's an old rock group from back in the day. But a lot of good things are happening, right? I just wanted to do this quick video just to remind you guys that now it's a good time for you guys to seriously look at what you're going to do about investing and creating a better future for yourself. I think that there's some unprecedented opportunities that are available for us right now. And if you are taking your time to just kind of figure out what you should be doing, one of the things that I'm going to suggest to you guys is to create a trust for yourself and for your family. Not just a living trust, but create a dynasty trust for yourself and for your family so that over the years, not just you will do well and benefit from your family's financial growth, but your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids, they'll all do well. If you want to know how to do that kind of stuff, I'm happy to just refer you to the team that handled setting up my Dynasty Trust and helping me to create the wealth for my family. One of the investment opportunities that I do recommend to you guys is this. Consider investing in mortgage-backed promissory notes, because mortgage-backed promissory notes give you cash flow and security and safety with no work really to speak of. It's not like being a landlord where you're going to be dealing with tenants and toilets and trash. That doesn't happen with mortgage-backed promissory notes. So that's a good way to invest, and it's very safe in my opinion. These are just things that I do, right? I'm not trying to be your financial advisor. You probably have that already. But these are things that I do. And the income that I create from my promissory notes that I invest in, I use that income to buy life insurance policies on all of my family members. And I do that by running all of that through my trust. So if you want to know more about how to do that kind of stuff, you can head over to my website. It's therealdesiarnaz.com. That's therealdesiarnaz.com. Around this video someplace, you'll see a link that you can click, and you can just go directly to my website. And then the other day I mentioned to you guys that I'm also right now doing some other things. I've been investing in some cryptocurrency. I have been on the sidelines for cryptocurrency for the past few years because I wanted to wait until I saw the government adopting it. And now that, just yesterday as a matter of fact, the House of Representatives passed a bill, a bipartisan bill. You know, you can't get the Democrats and Republicans to agree on anything, but guess what? This was a strong bipartisan bill that basically is laying out some rules and guidelines for cryptocurrency moving forward so that the banks can adopt it, and so that financial institutions can use it, and we can all use it. And so I am recommending, looking into that. It's time. It's really time. Right now, the beautiful thing about cryptocurrency is that it has not yet reached mass adoption. In other words, most people are still not investing in crypto, and most people are not using crypto, but soon we will all be using crypto on a daily basis. When that mass adoption takes place, the cryptocurrencies that are the most popular are going to become even more valuable. And the most popular right now by far is Bitcoin. So I definitely have purchased some Bitcoin, and I'm going to purchase some more. And another one that I like is XRP. And I've definitely purchased some of that. I will be purchasing more. And there's lots of other coins out there that you could purchase, but those are the ones that they're the basics. Those are the top dogs out there. And I'm more of a conservative person, so I'm not going to be going out on a limb for some of those other cryptos that might not even be around in a year or two. And so that's where I'm putting my funds. And then as I create wealth, as those cryptos go up in value, my plan is pretty simple. I'm going to take profits from it, and then I'm going to take those profits, put it into my life insurance policies that I have in place, because that insures my money. Right, we insure everything else, right? We insure our cars, we insure our house, we insure our all of our stuff. but most people don't insure their money. So that insures my money for the future. And then I'm going to use the insurance cash value to go back in and pick up more assets, either in mortgage-backed promissory notes, which is what I like, right? Which creates more income than that I can use and just repeat that whole cycle. Now, I wrote a book that's called A Family Circle of Wealth. Those of you that are interested in it, if you want a copy of my book, all you've got to do is text me to 951-551-0087. That's again 951-551-0087. You text the word book to me and I will mail you a copy. Now, of course, I need to know where to mail it, so you'll need to send me your mailing address, but I'll send you a signed copy of my book. And in this book, I talk exactly about the strategy that I just shared with you. So I hope you guys will take me up on my free offer for a free book. And for those of you that don't want to send me your mailing address, if you still want the book, you can just go to Amazon and look for this book, The Family Circle of Wealth, and you can buy it. It's only $20. You can buy it on Amazon. But as I said, I'm willing to send it to you for free. I'll even cover the cost of the postage. That's up to you, though. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys for today. So I just want to say, God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless America. See you next time.